Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of the BAEEAT Nylon Braided band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now I'm recording this video a little bit early because, in all honesty, when I picked up this band, I knew that I was gonna enjoy it, and the other watch bands just came in, so this is definitely a watch band that I may come back to for regular daily usage, but I can't spoil myself too much because we got other watch bands that we have to take a look at. So I figured, let me go ahead, and I just finished writing up the full written review that I'm going to publish on Amazon, and I plan on submitting that shortly to be published on Amazon. So I figured, now that the written review is done, I'd go ahead and record the video review, so as soon as the written review gets published, I'll go ahead and drop the video review. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna do the full review for the BAEEAT Braided Nylon band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Alright, now this particular band is compatible with your Watch 4, your Watch 5, and your Watch 6 bands, and it's also compatible with your Watch 4 Classic and your Watch 6 Classic bands, and that is the 42mm, the 46mm, the 43mm, the 47mm, all the way down to the 20mm, right? And then this particular band, it comes in 22mm and 20mm for this watch in terms of compatibility. All right, but jumping right into it, I would have to say the one thing that I love about this band, aside from the overall fit and feel, is the overall ease of installation. Now, this particular band has the quick release pins, as you can see right there. And the one thing I love about these quick release pins, you can see the other one right there, is that the quick release pins are notched. So once you line them up and drop them in, they're not going to come out. And even though the pins themselves are spring loaded, because it's notched in there, it's not going to come out. So the overall ease of installation for this watch band, in my opinion, is top notch. Now, because of my disability and dexterity issues, it is a little bit still of a struggle for me, but other than that, I would have to say it is a very seamless and straightforward process, and the overall installation process was top notch. Okay, so that's probably the biggest thing that I like about this watch, watch band, aside from what we're about to talk about next. All right, up next, another really great thing that I like about this watch band is the overall fit and feel. And let me just show y'all. Now I have this adjusted to where I can just slide my hand in and out here, so you can see I can easily slide it onto my wrist, and then I can adjust it to the size that I want, line it up perfectly, adjust it, and it's on. And again, the next thing that I really like about this watch band is the overall fit and feel. So you can see it easily went on my wrist. It's fully adjustable, and I can adjust it to where it's nice and comfortable, and now I can easily rock out and enjoy my watch and still be extremely comfortable. So the overall fit and feel of this watch band is top notch as well. All right, and then another great positive here that I like about this watch band is the price that it's available for. Now, the price is something we're going to talk about towards the end of the video, but this one is available for a really great price. All right, so essentially that goes over all of the positive things that I like about this third-party watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic from BAEEAT. Okay, now let's talk about the one negative thing that I don't like about this watch band, right? And that one negative thing would have to be, let me just go ahead and show y'all how easy it is to take off as well. So I can just fully adjust it like that. And then I can slide my hand out like this. And we're good to go. But this also highlights the negative thing that I don't like about this watch band. Now, you guys and gals have seen me review a similar watch band to this for some other smartwatches that I've reviewed on the channel, and you can see when I reviewed those similar bands, they have like a plastic stopper piece here. Well, this one does not, and I have noticed that on a few occasions this all slippery plastic piece can slide all the way out, and then I have to go ahead and fight with it to line it back up and slide it in. So the one major negative that I don't like about this watch band would have to be that the plastic stopper piece here is not really plastic, and it can have a tendency to slide all the way out. Then you gotta fight with it to put it back in. So the locking mechanism, or the locking piece that makes sure that the band does not come apart, is probably the biggest negative that I've experienced with this watch band. That really should have been an all plastic hard piece that kind of locks out when it gets fully open, because this piece is not fully plastic. So although it kind of locks out, if it wiggles just enough, it can pop all the way off, and then you got to fight with it to put it back on. So that's probably the biggest negative that I've experienced with this watch band, and probably the only negative that I've experienced with this watch band. Alright, so that goes over the positives and the negatives of this watch band in my experiences. Now let's get into the final part of this review. Let's talk pricing. Let me get into my overall final thoughts and make an overall final recommendation. Now, when we talk about pricing, I have to disclose this. This particular watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic did come in free of charge to the channel, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions. As always on this channel, I reserve the right to give my 100% honest opinion regardless of how I get my hands on these products. Alright? So what does it mean to be a part of the Amazon Vine program, however? That does mean that I do have to write up and publish a written review on Amazon, and then the products are mine to keep. Alright? But that being said, I did go out and do my due diligence and scour the internet, and I did find this watch band and similar styles of watch band available for $8. So on Amazon in particular, it's available in a variety of different colors, but it's all gonna be $8, $7.99.99. You can just make it easier and call it $8. And like I said earlier, it's available in two particular watch band sizes. So it's available in the 20mm, which is what I have here, and the 22mm, right? But regardless of whichever one you decide to pick up, it's gonna be $7.99.99, right? So $8. And it does come in a variety of different colors. So this particular one is the black and blue. All right, this is more black than blue in my opinion, but it's supposed to be the black and the blue. And then they have a raspberry purple, they have a straight black, they have a gray with lime green, they have a game royal, what color is this? Game royal orange. Okay, they have a milky white, they have a navy blue, they have a, what's that, sequoia orange? However you say that, however you say this, it's sequoia and orange. And then they have a starlight, which is kind of like a goldish white. It kind of looks goldish to me. Like, yeah, it's like a goldish white. Starlight. Okay. Then they have Starlight and pink. So yeah, it's like white with pink and yellow streaks. Yeah. So it's available in a variety of different colors. But as I said, regardless of whichever one you go with, the price is going to be $7.99.99 or $8. So although this did come into the channel free of charge, I just wanted to let you guys and gals know the pricing and availability that the watch band is currently available for. And that being said, for that price, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this watch band up for any of your Samsung Galaxy Watch series watches? Well, if you're in the market for a really nice third-party band and you want something that's breathable and comfortable and fully adjustable, then yes, I can easily recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up. It should serve you well. Just keep in mind that one negative that I pointed out, and if that's not a deal breaker for you guys and gals, then this is an easy recommendation from me. And as I said at the beginning of the video, these type of watch bands, the braided nylon watch bands with the Velcro straps, are some of my all-time favorite watch bands. So I figured I'd just go ahead and record this video early because I know this is going to be something that I come back to. Alright, so I figured we might as well go ahead and take a look at the other watch bands, because I know this is going to be definitely a daily driver in terms of watch bands. So this is definitely something that I'm going to come back to long after I finish the review process for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But that being said, that does it for today's video, and that does it for this full review. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I do try my best to publish my videos across all the social media platforms, so please make sure you follow me. I'll link up my social medias down below in the video description as well. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live, because it will go live on one or two or all of the social media platforms. And if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up this third-party watch band for yourself at a really great price, all the affiliated buy links as to where you can pick up this watch band featured in the video, along with all of my other recommended watch bands, will be available down below in the video description, as well as where you can pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself, all at some ridiculously great prices. And as the name implies, that will be an affiliated link, meaning that when you guys and gals purchase through that link, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I would consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. All right. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, let me see which other watch band I'm going to take a look at next, and then I'll be back with the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.